how to sell sports and outdoor products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own product using this platform. So first of all, let's explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in here, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's choose one of these products just to check it and to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's check this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a shop page exactly like this one for your own products, obviously, how to add the pictures of your product, no matter how many pictures you have. I'm going to show you how to set them all, how to enter the description of the product, the little one and the long description as well, how to enter the price, the options like the band color, ring size, or whatever options you have, how to enter the product's details, like if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product as well, the gem color if you are selling like jewelry and stuff. And I'm going to show you also how to set the shipping and return policies that fit you especially. So let's just close the this page and let's go back to the first page, and here go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and in order to do that you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences, then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, then you set up the billing, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And here for the next step, you choose the name of the product. Let's remove the special characters and spaces between words, and let's replace them with letters. Then if the name is available, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here, first in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here, before we proceed to adding the photos and details about our product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. Here you will need to enter a price for the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields, and the same thing with shipping as well. You will have to fill all of these read fields. So let's just explain these fields for you. Let's start with photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here, let's enter the title of the product. And here you will have 3 questions to go through. You have the first one is who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company, person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And then for the category, you can just enter your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's choose the first category. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's choose black. Then we have the secondary color. Let's choose brown. Then for the sustainability, you can select up to 3 elements. So let's choose the first 3 elements. Then for the occasion, you can choose one in here. Same thing with holiday. Then we have the renewal options. You can choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. So I'm going to choose the manual. Then for the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, in order guys to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. If not, you can just close this tab. Then for the section, tags and materials, let's just skip them for now. They are all optional. Then we have the price. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then we have the shipping. So here, you will need to fill all of these red fields, as I said in the beginning. So for example, let's select a processing time. Let's say 5 to 7 days. Then we move on to the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one in here. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.